Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your motherboard supports RAID and updating BIOS to the latest firmware. This prevents incompatibility. Once done, back up all data off the drives because creating an array will erase them. Next, physically connect the target drives to the RAID-capable SATA ports and label them. You choose drives with identical capacity and similar speed to avoid wasted space and performance imbalance, and decide whether you need RAID 0, 1, or 5 based on speed versus redundancy. You reboot and enter the motherboard RAID utility using the vendor key. This is where you form the virtual disk. In the utility, select the physical drives, pick the RAID level that matches your goals, and set stripe size, larger stripe for sequential speed, smaller for mixed workloads. Then initialize the array so the controller recognizes it and save the configuration. Note the array name and virtual disk ID for Windows installer. Once done, exit and ensure the BIOS boot order points to your intended installer or OS drive. You begin Windows 11 installation, and when the installer cannot see disks, click Load Driver and supply the motherboard RAID driver from USB. This lets Windows recognize the virtual disk. Then partition and install Windows to the RAID volume, finish OOB, and install chipset and storage drivers inside Windows. If the array disappears, make sure to reset cables and drives, verify BIOS mode is set to RAID rather than OSI, and consider reflashing BIOS. Those steps fix most controller detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.